I'm so happy. They didn't have the neon ones, but at this point, I don't care. They're smaller than I thought they'd be, but surprisingly comfortable. It's weird. And then... Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I'm so happy. Come on, package. There we go. Ah, it's stuck on the joystick.
Let's see if I can open it.
Come on. There we go. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh. And then here's the grip for them when you put them in here. It's all like smaller than I thought it'd be because the cameras always were so close up on them. It actually comes with an HDMI cable. And
That's almost weird.
The adapter's huge. And they have these little cool like safety things that you snap on the sides of the Joy-Cons when you have them disconnected from the Switch itself. And it makes the trigger buttons like a lot easier to use. Here's the second one. I was like, where is it? So there's one for each, and it has a little LED display for the batteries, which is really cool. And then here is the dock that lets me put it into the TV. And it's kind of weirdly shaped on the back here. You plug in all the cords and then feed them out through here and close it. And it's literally seamless. You just snap the switch on, and it will literally immediately go right into the TV. Like there's no delay. And you take it back off, and it only takes a second or two. But this is the coolest thing. Gonna take this coat off. So, gotta pick this up. Yeah, but I'm really surprised it came with an HDMI cord because every console in the past couple of years hasn't come with any HDMI cords. Maybe the original Xbox one, but not this, or not anything this recent.